Alright guys, we're driving up to get the Lawrence Springs put on today. This is the place that I'm going to. It's called Rod Speed. It's this building here with the nice BMW right there. You guys can see it lowered, slammed. I'll be able to park by this Mustang here. See what we do. And to be quite, well, I was going to tell you how much they were going to put it on for me for, but let me talk to them again and make sure things haven't changed. So sometimes people tell you stuff on the phone, and then when you get there, it's a whole other thing. So let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna go inside, guys, and talk to the guys. Up here you can see the sign that says Rod Speed right here. So it says JDM, KDM, Euro, USDM, car parts and accessories. So look them up on YouTube or I think not Facebook, Instagram, Rod Speed Inc. And if you want to come here and get some work done on your car, if you live down south, check them out, because I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like after they finish. Somebody's getting some pipes on their car here. That's a BMW. BMW there. Sounds really good, actually. I'm gonna talk to him and see what he got done on there. Looks nice. Alright guys. Alright guys, this is Rod Speed. Alright guys, so here's the place. We got a bumper here on the floor. Not bad at all. So they're going to be putting it on in here. Got some real pure Miami vibes going on here. Got a BMW up top. Some springs here. I'm excited. Yeah. Just want to get it. A little video or something. I got like 200 subscribers, so I'm trying to get as many. Yeah. Oh man. There you go.
Like bags on it. So he got air suspension. I did the air suspension for him. I did a trunk setup, everything. I put 2 new tires on it, so I did alignments, tires, air suspension, lowering springs, coilovers, body work or insurance claims, anything like that. So if you ever need to get like a bumper repainted, I can do that type of stuff as well. I do ceramic tints, we wrap cars, ceramic coat, whatever.
Yeah. I was trying to learn how to wrap myself. As you can see the scraps.
I have the patience for myself.
Serious.
They'll be like, oh, yo, come wrap this down. I'm like, nah. I don't got the patience.
Yeah, it's serious, bro. I think in some places they don't do everything.
No, yeah. So for us, it's better we try to source everything. That way, we try to get everything done in one spot. Just because, you know, for me, it's easier. Like our customers have like a place where they can do everything at. Then I'm gonna go do this over here and then go do over there. And then next thing you know, they come back to me and like, yo, who did this for your car?
Yeah.
It's like it takes me a little bit longer to do something, but I try to be able to do everything so that way everybody can get everything done here. You know.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm really excited about the springs today. I'm really excited to see how low the car is when they finish, so stay tuned. Finally here, Eibach. Let's do it. Hit 300 subscribers, so I didn't even share my page with anybody. I'm just doing my stuff and not even sharing or giving anybody any information about my page. So I'm really excited about having 300 subscribers, man. Like, I know some of them probably bots, but the channel is growing, and some of the feedback I get, it's really appreciated. So guys, I'm glad that you're part of this experience. And look, I don't even know how to vlog. Look at this. I'm looking at the pictures in the background, so I gotta look at this so I can be looking straight into your face. I really appreciate you guys liking my videos. I didn't start this channel out trying to be a YouTuber. I was just video recording the stuff that I do and the stuff that I like. So hopefully you guys continue to watch my videos. I know some of them are insanely, ridiculously unedited and sloppy, but sometimes I just get so excited to record that I just don't plan anything. Just like I'm doing now. I didn't plan this. I planned to put the springs on the car, but I didn't plan any script to tell you guys or talk to you guys about. So I'm kind of new to this, you know, vlogging or whatever this is, man. Like, I didn't set out to be a channel that people would follow. Just wanted to share. I mean, I do get people on the streets that ask me about certain things that I have, like where do you get this from, or hey, those are nice shoes, or something like that, you know, just complimenting things that I have. And I thought maybe that I could just record some of those things that I have. I mean, these things are material things that I just like to have, but I know that these things do not make me who I am. I just like to enjoy life, and that's what I'm doing now, enjoying life. Do what you love to do, man, and you know, keep your mental health, you know, in check. Meaning, stop doing the things that create a monster in your brain. Start doing the things that you like to do, positive things, moral things. People tend to do things based on their peers or people they follow. If you want to have a happy life, do the things that make you happy. I don't know what else to say, you know. I just try to be as positive as I can. I grew up pretty, you know, poor, and I wouldn't think that I would be in this position that I am today. You know, stay away from things that influence you in the wrong way. For example, if you want to have a happy wife, be with a happy woman. Don't be with a negative woman or a bad woman. You want to be around happy friends, be around happy people. And if you're not a happy person, seek help. Get mental health, man. Like, get mental treatment or whatever they call it. Try to find ways to get yourself out of that sunken place, man. You know, if you listen to rap music and they influence you, you listen to whatever music and they influence your life, you listen to negative people and they influence your life, that's exactly how your life gonna go. So I would say, like, just be a better you, man. Try to dig deep inside yourself and figure out what it is. Just start doing things that is positive, man. Like, the stuff you listen to, the stuff you watch, the stuff you put inside your mind, sometimes take a toll on you, and you can become a very negative person. Whether it's, you know, watching crazy gangster movies, you know, things that you don't need to be watching, or listening to. Be your own role model, man. Be around people who are role model material. People who care about themselves, depend on themselves, and also take care of people who depend on them. So I just wanted to say that, guys. I mean, I didn't want to make this about that, but maybe someone needs to hear that, you know. Just start doing the things that make you happy. I'm not saying do the things that make you feel good physically. I'm talking about things that are positive and bring positive energy to your life. Things you do make you happy. If you're doing a lot of things that is not moral and you feel good about it, you might want to reevaluate that and get some help. So just wanted to speak on that a little bit. Sorry about my beard. It's my day off, so I was crusty up. Like, do positive things, man, with your life. Be around positive people. Get negative people out. If you're a person that's around negative people and you like to be negative, that might be a sign that you have mental issues, probably. So all I try to do is be the best person that I can be, and change who I am, because I came from a very negative place. I was raised in a very negative place, and the things that we thought was positive was actually negative. So we grew up thinking that, you know, doing bad things are wrong things, doing the wrong things were right, you know. So I just wanted to encourage anybody who's watching this. So we're lowered and the car feels super low. I actually can feel it. Now the only thing is, they just did the alignment, but the car feels like it's more, you know, it's closer to the ground. It's not like slammed or anything like that, but it does feel better than those GM Performance Springs. So yeah, and it's very comfortable. It's the shocks are really good. It feels good. I like it. I like the way it sits. It feels really good. So let me go ahead and get some gas, and then get home. Probably get a burger or something. That's how hungry I am. Oh, that turning. Okay, cornering is great. Not too much wobble here. We will be doing an update video coming up here shortly. You guys, man, thank you for being a part of this experience, man. See you guys later. Thank you for watching the video. 300 subscribers. Let's get it.